Merry Christmas and welcome to the YouTube channel, everyone. This is Toy-Nutz and it is now December 25th, the last day, the last box for the Disney Parks Star Wars Droid Factory Advent Calendar. Let's open this bad boy up and see what the final droid for this series is going to be. It's a nice size little droid box here. We'll slide it out and it's typical red bag. Slice it right open. And we'll see what our new droid will be as we finish off droid number 6. And okay, this is cool. A little gonk droid painted like a Christmas present. The stripe says looking like a bow. Okay, this is really cool. This is neat. And here he is, ready to go with all the other Christmas droids. The Christmas gonk droid. The green, silver, the red stripes looking like wrapping. Really cool little figure, really cool setup here. I hope you've had fun with this. Thank you for watching along. Thank you for following along. And I want to say once more, thank you very much. Have a Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful New Year, and Excelsior.